Hi there, my name's Craig Mills. I'm the Territory Sales Manager for Eureka Safety Sub-Saharan Africa. From our base in Johannesburg, we are able to look after all our customers in South Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. In South Africa, we look after a variety of industries from manufacturing, engineering, mining, oil and gas, cold storage, and logistics. At Eureka, we focus strongly on product quality, technical performance, and also customer satisfaction. We like to better understand exactly what our customers are looking for and be able to provide them with a clear solution going forwards. To go forward, we would like to build our client base and work closely with our clients and our suppliers to grow the brand within South Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa.